Yes, I'm view of this judgment.
Thank you. I think we have to thank all of you. On behalf of my colleagues, I would like to inform you that this is a huge success, not only for APC as a political party in Nigeria, but it is a huge success for Nigerians and also a huge success for democracy. This has shown that democracy has come to stay and our judiciary is highly respected, and not only the judiciary, but also even the press, even the media, the various media. You see how we have come along, and you see how we have tolerated each other. So I can say that this is the beginning of the maturity of democracy in this country. We have to thank the politicians, even the leaders of the political parties. We have to thank them for showing maturity, especially the presidential candidate for PDP and that of Labour Party. We have to appreciate them, we have to thank them, because they also do contribute to stability of democracy in this country. We have to inform you that we respect the judiciary, because if you see how 5 of them are unanimous on the verdict that they have shown this evening. And not only that, all the other consolidated, allegations, complaints by the opposition, all the 3 consolidated petitions have been exhausted, especially the issue of disqualification of our presidential candidate and his running mate, or the vice president at the moment. You can see how that one was dispensed. Also the issue of malpractices in the election, you could see how the judges were able to treat it and dispensed everything and we are happy that this program was done live so that Nigerians will definitely know what has happened, instead of relying on social media where some political parties are inciting people. If APC is being manipulating the result, how can we lose presidential election in Katsina State, which was the state of the existing president at that time? And how can we lose presidential election in Lagos, where we have our own presidential candidate? So you can see that APC has done a lot, and we have to thank our followers, and we are now ready to continue giving dividends of democracy to the people of Nigeria.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Let's go and eat. What is you guys are not our friends again.
Labour Party, Atiku, Labour Party, which is